بسم الله الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. Assalamu alaikum. Read Al-Quran the easy way. Lesson number 2D on short forms practice part 2. Let's start with prayer. Rabbi zidni ilma, which means, Oh Allah, increase me in knowledge. If you know a person, then his face is enough to know who he is, right? Arabic letters work on similar lines. You have learned the full forms of the letters, right? We can use the short forms wherever possible. Why use full forms? Anyway, let's practice again reading these short forms. Sheen, sheen, sheen. Jim, jim, jim. Seen, seen, seen. De, de, de. De, de, de. Fe, fe, fe. Be, be, be. Mim, mim, mim. Be, be, be. Noon, noon, noon. Te, te, te. Ye, ye, ye. Qaf, qaf, qaf. Fe, fe, fe. Jim, jim, jim. Kha, kha, kha. MashaAllah, we're almost done. Hamza, hamza, hamza. Zay, zay, zay. Alif, alif, alif. Ra, ra, ra. Dal, dal, dal. Hamza, hamza, hamza. Waw, waw, waw. Dhal, dhal, dhal. MashaAllah, well done. We have come to the end of this lesson. May Allah help us to recite, understand, implement, and propagate this Quran. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.